So first thing first, you need to sign in on the YouTube TV account under tv.youtube.com. So on the homepage of YouTube TV, you want to go to your top right of your screen, and then you want to click on the store icon right here. And then you want to click on all to see all the networks. And here you want to search for MyOutdoorTV. So just scroll down and search for MyOutdoorTV. Right here on the MyOutdoorTV network, you want to click on it. And then you want to add MyOutdoorTV to your membership by paying for $10 per month, and you can get 7-day free trial. So just click on next and then complete your purchase with your credit card, debit card, or even your PayPal. And after you book the package, you want to go to your top right of your screen again, but this time click on the search icon and then search for My Outdoor. Right here on the My Outdoor TV, you want to click on it. And then here you can just scroll down. And then on the live session, you want to scroll down a bit. And then you can just see right here, the Bass channel featuring Major League Fishing. So you can start to watch the live session and also the upcoming live session of the Bass channel. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. And that's how to watch the Bass channel on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.